wanna do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we doing our thing, moving too fast.
Hey mamas, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, she's your fave, and if you're not new here, hey girl, what's up? As you can see from the title, I'll be working with Curlyme hair. They went ahead and sent me this gorgeous 6x4 pre-cut glueless lace closure unit in water wave. It is 20 inches and 180 density, so it's giving thick. Okay, not super duper thick, but thick enough for the summertime, full enough and cute enough. This unit is gorgeous, 100% glueless. Let me go ahead and stick that comb up there, show you guys. We are not laying down on nothing, okay? But we're super secured because it does have an adjustable band in the back, and this cap is literally the stretchiest cap ever, but also the snuggest cap ever. So if you are looking or on the market to finding a water wave wig, definitely check out Curlyme hair. The links will be in the description box for you to purchase. And let's jump into today's tutorial so I could show you how to secure your glueless wig just like this.
All you wanna do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Oh, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, hey, hey, baby, when we gon' slide. We on a run, nothing matters when we one-on-one. Looking at us cause we going dumb. We on the same wave, you the same way. You know I'll be down if it's with you. Where we going, baby, what's the move? We should take a trip up to the moon. Get a room, doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Oh, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
Oh, honey, I need a big cage. I need my bitch in the apron. Booty all out cooking bacon. Orange juice and ace, so we drinking. I only come out when the stars out. I'm on a mission, but we fall out. The city talking with a large mouth. Yeah, they after the boy like Fallout. 400. Drop it, give me 50, girl. Drop it, give me 50. Used to slide with me, but you be tripping when you miss it. You go hold me close and on your neck gon' be a hit. I ain't gotta do too much, I know what get you stick. I ain't gotta know astrology, I know your vibe. Skip the footplay, don't let niggas fuck with your mind. I ain't giving out apology when I'm behind. Fucking up the seats of the brand new ride.
Moving too fast, candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Oh, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
Fucking up the seats of the brand new ride.
the globe as the cash grows. Get a nigga whack like you get the grass mowed. I'm talking slick when I'm with the big slime, nigga. Could hit your bitch, you can never hit mine, nigga. In my DNA, electric slide, nigga. No catfishing, this is not a fish fry, nigga. Never switch sides on my dog. Catch your contact, hit your right for the mall. Everybody say, how could you come about your face and say I ain't the hardest nigga you never heard? I left a black of rappers dead and burned. A verse for me is like 11 birds. It didn't let us like $2,000 every word. I'm on the verge, I beat the church. I kill some niggas and I walk away from it. Then I observe just how you curve. Then told a nigga that they got away from it. I know you ain't hot to man. I'm balling on the pussy nigga like you want a man. I'm drowning all inside the pussy like I never swear. Hey, fuck your IG, I put something on your sonogram. I'm the man. Meet me at London. If you find time, we can run one. Talk about some things we can't undo. Just in the pen, I can find you. 6'1" on a money 9'2". We just hit a word and I run through. 2 texts, no reply, that's what I knew. Yeah, I know.
Perch up, I can make a brick walk. Up, north, down, south. Bank, hit a bitch walk. Hit it with a little water. Stretch it like a vocal cord. STD, I run my ward. Book a fed and his daughter. I'm a ready come down. Have some butter, sugar, and some bread. I got a man and she gon' ride. She took a quarter and she fled. I'm in a hill, so she gon' ride. I seen her paint and shot it like rise. I'm in London with some big thighs. Don't fry, she steaks with the fish thighs. Did your mama tell you something on fire? Stop rock and roll.
Alright you guys, so I'm finally back and this is the finished look. This gorgeous wig is from Curlyme Hair and they went ahead and sent me this 6x4 water wave pre-cut glueless lace closure wig in 20 inches. It is gorgeous, 180 density, so you know she's very much full, very much not too thick and crazy and all over the place. It is too hot for any type of hair right now, so the fact that we are wearing wigs still is absolutely great, and this would be a great summer addition. Right now pretty much this top half of the hair is dry, this is a little damp, so it's giving controlled, but when it does dry down it definitely does get a little bit bigger, which is cute. I'm living for the water wave texture. It is such a pretty unit, and this is definitely one of those units you want to get when you are going on vacation. Because it is 6x4, just act or mimic a frontal unit, and the fact that I'm able to be like take this up, move it, take it off is great. I can put the comb under there, girl. It's giving 100% glueless. So this time around I didn't necessarily need to use the melt band, but if you do want to melt it, the same thing I did for my edges is what you would use to spray and melt it down, but either way it is able to come off. This wig is really nice and sturdy also, so it is literally a beginner's dream. Super friendly, beginner friendly. If you were scared that your wig would fall off, girl, there's an adjustable strap in there that has this wig stuck to my head, okay? So that is something you definitely do not need to watch out for. Like, this wig isn't going anywhere. The texture is gorgeous, and if you'd like to purchase this unit from Curlyme Hair, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. Let me show you guys the shedding real quick. This is literally this and this. So once I wrap it up, you'll be able to see it's literally next to nothing. This is moderate, normal type of shedding that you'd get from detangling any wig or a wig for the first time. So that is good to see that it's not that much shedding. And if you'd like to purchase, which I would highly recommend, definitely don't forget to check those links out. And without further ado, I will see you all in my next one. Bye babes.